Hi, welcome to this video where we're going to be looking at the arpeggiator. And what this is, it's quite a useful sort of MIDI effect that we can use to turn a standard chord into an arpeggio. And it's sort of reused quite a lot in sort of dance music. So to demonstrate this, all I've done here is I've created a channel which has an instrument in there. In this case it's an electric piano, and then I've created a small loop which basically just has a one chord in there. It plays a C chord all the way through. So, and you'll see on the bottom here I've just drawn in the individual notes of a C chord. So to actually attach a arpeggiator to there, what we do, if you make sure that the inspector is open, and then select the track you want to insert it on, and then we have this section here which is MIDI effects. So if I click on that, and you'll see there are various options that we can have, and we'll sort of look at the arpeggiator today. And this brings up a screen that looks like that. So if I sort of start playing this, you'll see, you'll get an idea very quickly of how it sort of works. So what it does is it plays the actual notes of the chord. It sort of plays them individually and sort of going through them in sort of levels. So there are various controls that we can use to do that. We have this one here which actually turns it on or off. So that turns it off between, and then now it's arpeggiating. And the first sort of control, which is obvious here, it's the actual rate that it does this. So we can change the number of notes which are actually played. So if I move this down to 1/8, so that's playing 8 notes for a bar. And I can close it really slow if I want to. And you can hear it sort of working. But also we can sort of go much faster as well. And we can also do silly speeds as well if we want, so we'll stick to that. So as we're here, the notes are actually ascending, so they are going up in pitch, and we can actually change that with the sort of this section here. So if we click here, they will be now sort of played in reverse order. So if I swap between the two, I've got a section there, and then we've also got one which goes up and down. So we've got various things on there. So if we just stick on that one, and then we've got variation. So for each one we have 4 different variations, which just varies the order that the notes are played in. Let's take that one back down. And then finally on the side here we've got octaves. So then now the arpeggiato is through 2 octaves. And sort of 4 like that. Take it back down to 1. There are also some options which we can select if we click on here, and perhaps the most useful one here is the note length. So this is the note, the output, and then if we sort of play this and adjust this, you will hear the notes actually changing in note length. So 100% will be a 16th, and then we're sort of doubling up almost. and then we can also change the actual pattern that these notes are actually played. If we go on to this one, so this takes it directly from there, but if we go into grid, and then we can say we've got 3 notes, and we can sort of subtly change the sort of amplitude of them. So if we So that's the arpeggiator in Logic Pro X.